I am passionate of teaching drones because I see how innovative and competitive the students are, and I have 6 years of experience from my high school in the robotics field. But it's impressive how creative these kids are getting now in new generation, especially because they now will use this experience in future jobs such as like the military, where they have to drive aircrafts and things like that.
I think it's important for people to learn how to fly a drone so they can have career options and more like job opportunities because they have experience flying drones or guiding drones.
So students in the drones program, for example, when I started working here, these students are natural. They're pretty good drivers. They have a lot of skills, creativity, and things like that. But something that they needed help a lot with was with interviews and things like when getting judged. So a lot of things they do is learning communication skills. In the competitions, they have to get judged. That's a part of the competition. So it is pretty important that they know communication, how creative or how do they create their skills, abilities, and things like that. And they have to be well when explaining it. So that's why I feel I help them a lot with.
I like being in the drones program because it lets me connect with friends, other teammates, and other schools, and also teaches me a lot about engineering, coding, and programming.